The Motive program has had a profound impact, not only on our safety culture, but it's helped us reduce the amount of costs related to at-fault collisions. We were able to reduce our costs by 50%. Sean Martinez, EHS Director for CoolSys. Prior to Motive, we would monitor minimal amount of driver behavior that was primarily after the fact. The 3 different types of behaviors that we wanted to identify and address were following too close, a cell phone distraction, as well as speeding. Those are the 3 areas that have improved by 75%, 77%, and for cell phone usage, as much as 80%. We've been able to reduce our at-fault motor vehicle collisions by 25%. It has helped us reduce our workers' comp claim by 50%, reducing the number from 1.9 million down to 800,000 by having significantly fewer collisions involving injured workers. And then in terms of our vehicle incident frequency rate, the Motive program has helped us reduce that by as much as 60%. With the fewer collisions, we've seen smoother operations and we've been able to be more productive. Our drivers are safer, our managers are better, and our company has improved overall significantly. So one important aspect of our safety philosophy is transformational style leadership, where we want to motivate and we want to inspire our drivers to be better. But we also want to demonstrate transactional style leadership, where we monitor, we track, and we reward and coach those who are doing well or those who improve. And with those 2 different styles of leadership, we found that that's the most effective in improving our overall driving behavior and successfully using the Motive program. There is one manager that we have on the West Coast who was able to coach an individual to wear his seatbelt. Ultimately, that driver wore his seatbelt and he was involved in a collision. And because he wore a seatbelt during that collision, it saved his life. So once our drivers realized how valuable the tool was by seeing themselves and their unsafe behavior in the video events through the app, then it was far easier for us to convince other drivers of how valuable it was, because the drivers then shared their stories with other drivers. At CoolSys, our safety philosophy can be summed up in one phrase, and that is that everyone makes it home. Prior to having Motive installed for our drivers and for our managers, that wasn't a guarantee. But ever since we've installed Motive, now we're confident that we can ensure that everyone makes it home. And to me, there's nothing more important.